Mubahala, a unique event where a religious debate was won without shedding a drop of blood. It was a defining moment that unfolded between the noble Prophet Muhammad and the Christian delegation from Najran. This remarkable event showcased the power of intellect, character, and divine aura of Ahlulbait. As the two sides met in the presence of the divine, a profound aura surrounded the Prophet Muhammad, his daughter Fatima, his cousin and successor Ali, and his grandsons, Hassan and Hussein. Faced with the sheer magnificence and righteousness emanating from the Prophet and his family, the Christians realized the futility of their position. Recognizing the divine presence and the truth embodied by the Prophet Muhammad and his family, the Christian delegation withdrew and embraced the peaceful teachings of Islam and agreed to pay tax. The event of Mubahala is a testament to the power of knowledge, character, and spiritual radiance. It exemplifies the triumph of truth without resorting to violence.